According to FAO, if women had the same access as men to resources such as information, land, improved technologies, and credit facilities, they could increase agricultural yields by up to 30% and lift more than 100 million people out of hunger. Through the detailed background researches, surveys, and interviews with many of the female farmers, finally we sorted out the three main problems faced by the women in the agricultural sector. The most important among them is the issue in finding out the markets with reasonable price and the inequality women face in the market price. The next is the lack of knowledge on the available agricultural loans and the difficulties they face as women in accessing such loans. The third issue women farmers face is the non-possession of the land and thereby the difficulties they face to find rented lands for cultivation. We are aiming to improve the gender equality in agriculture by our project. With simple and compelling look for you, we have designed a mobile application with three services: market services, financial services, and rental and other services. To begin with, let's check the market services. When the user selects a crop of her choice, it navigates her to the current market trend of the chosen crop. The Sell Your Product tab guides you to the nearest market with the best reasonable price. The Plan Your Market tab provides options to forecast the price of the crop. Moving to the financial services, we have provided a list of banks from which the user can choose the appropriate bank of her choice. There are facilities provided to know more about the loan scheme, including the document details. For the approval of documents from the bank, we are using API of a leading company, Finestra, which is combined with blockchain technology to provide a high security user profile. In addition to this, an option is also available to check the approved loan status. In rental and other services of our app, there are facilities to choose different services such as land, machineries, fertilizers, etc. By selecting the Land tab, the user is exposed to all the nearly available rented lands and the necessary details of those plots. There are also provisions to wishlist the plot and to add contact numbers, featured ads, etc. Women play important and varied roles in agriculture, but they are constrained by types of gender gaps. The product that we put forward is an effective solution to most of the problems faced by women farmers in agriculture sector and helps in improving the gender equality in agriculture. The participation of more women in agriculture sector will definitely bring in urban and rural development. Agri-infra funding is one of the largest funding schemes of government, which provides about 1 trillion Indian rupees as loans to the agriculture sector without collaterals. So with the help of Finestra, we are planning to provide a facility for the easy access of this loan. We are trying to develop and launch a project integrating the solution with smart farming to bring revolutionary changes in agricultural sector.